Hello friends, today we will configure HGU voice service in Gpon OLT. The default user is root and admin is the password. Click the VLAN menu followed by advanced setting. Let's start by creating VLANs. Enter voice VLAN in start VLAN box and end VLAN box. Let's configure this VLAN as default VLAN of G2. Let's create a new line profile for voice service. Enter profile name, set profile ID to auto, configure T count, and finally configure the jump port. Click Apply to commit changes. A SIP profile is needed to be configured for voice service. Enter profile name, profile ID, enter voice server IP and ports detail according to your voice server network. Click Apply to commit changes. Let's configure auto discovery and auto binding for the PON ports. Set auto discovery enabled, authentication type to auto, select line profile and click Apply. We can observe the ONU auto registration now. There must be a virtual port auto-discovered by the system. Okay, let's configure virtual port assignment to auto. Select all ports, enter jump port ID, enter service VLAN, and tag transform to transparent. Click apply to take effect. Virtual port is now assigned to the ONU automatically. Okay, let's configure ONT for voice service. Let's do IP configuration for the ONU. Click setting, select IP type, enter VLAN ID, and click apply. Let's do SIP configuration for the ONU. Enter user ID, password, phone number, select name, and select SIP profile. Click apply to make voice service effective to the ONU. Let's verify service and IP assignment in ONU webpage. Let's verify the phone number assignment. That's all. Thanks for watching.